It's a super straightforward process from getting your sketch to publish live on the web. And by the way, just because it's published doesn't mean that you can't edit or iterate on your sketch or your code. And the way that you do that is super simple, whether that's the JavaScript or the CSS or HTML, anything. All you have to do is go back to your GitHub. You can click on basically anything, any of the files. If you click on this pencil icon, then it will let you edit the file. And usually if you edit it, and I want to pull back the background color, for example, and then I go commit changes, you just want to make sure that you're also adding description of like what you did. So last bit that I would love for you to do is customize your README file, which is this one. So it's a basic markdown file. What people use this for is essentially adding documentation to your GitHub page. So again, all you have to do is edit it. And you can add either a description of your text, a blurb about you, or links to your learning document, your inspirations, talk about your process, the way that you write into a markdown file. So this is really similar to code, where this is really quite similar in that like you edit and then you preview on a different panel, just like some simple text here. And then you can also have multiple, kind of like another heading format like we did in CSS. So this is like heading 2, this is heading 3. So like you can also write like lists, and so this is list 1, list 2, list 3, for example. And so how it would look like in preview would be something like that. So I would say that it's pretty helpful to know how to structure and write into a markdown file. And so this is kind of a page which I will also link down below about how you can just do some basic writing and formatting of the syntax in it. And once you've kind of put in descriptions and everything, I would just commit changes. The idea is, and this is really important to us because documentation allows others to learn from your process when they access your sketch via GitHub. This is very close to our heart, and ethos of the Data Garden project is that the work you've created is meant to not just be shown once, but it's meant to really live on its own, and it can also live on as really a helpful resource and inspiration for others who will be working on their own projects. And so, yeah, we hope that you choose to share its journey, and this is kind of like a way that you can do that.